Welcome to this week's lesson. Today's lesson is about our sense of touch, der Tastsinn. Hi to A. Today I'm back at school. I'm in the Learn Zone outside your classroom. And this week we will be learning all about touch, how we can use our hands to touch things and feel them. We'll be talking about how does something feel. So let's start off with a rock. A rock feels hard. Auf Deutsch das heißt hart. Pretty much the same, right? So the rock feels hard. My cushion feels soft. Weich auf Deutsch. My cushion feels soft. This bag feels rough. It's scratchy. Rough. Auf Deutsch das heißt rau. Rough. And the opposite, my phone feels very smooth. Glatt auf Deutsch. Smooth. And here's something that's not rough and it's not smooth. It's bumpy. It's bumpy, like this. Holperig, bumpy. How do you think a plaster feels? I'll touch the plaster. When I touch it, it feels sticky. Klebrig, sticky. There. Let's put that on my hand to keep it safe. Sticky plaster. I have here, do you remember my mouse? My mouse is back today. And my mouse is soft, but he's also fluffy. You can see here, he's fluffy. My cushion is not fluffy. My cushion is soft and smooth. My mouse is soft and fluffy. We can also feel temperatures with our hands. Here's my water bottle. It feels cold. And if I touch my coffee, it feels hot. So my coffee cup feels hard, smooth, and hot. Let's go back over a few more. My stones, I have two stones. This stone is hard and very smooth. Hart und glatt. This one is hard as well, also hard, but it feels rough. Rau. This one is rough and hard. Today you're going to be collecting textures. So you have a sheet like this, and we are collecting textures on our sheet. Wir sammeln Texturen heute. So I'll show you how to collect textures. I have here a basket. You can see it's very rough and bumpy. So I put my paper on my basket, like this, and I'm going to rub it with my pencil. Use the side of my pencil like this, and rub, rub, rub all over. You can see in green here the texture from my basket. I think the basket feels rough. I'm going to write this. Rough. So I already collected some textures. This was from a chair in the foyer. This is from my computer. This was on the wall outside. And this was a carpet. So ein Stuhl, Wand, ein Teppich, computer, and then my box. What else? I can take the texture on the bookshelf. That feels rough too. This feels rough. So you need to go and find some textures. You need to find 8 and fill all the boxes. Use the side of your pencil to shade them all. And tell me, how does it feel? I'll show you the other worksheets for today as well. So you also have your homework, Hausaufgabe, as well. So this first one, your sense of touch. And this one, it says, you use your hands to feel things. This is your sense of touch. Look at each picture. Circle the pictures that would feel hard to touch. So I think, yeah, the bike feels hard. So I put a circle. And it then says, colour the pictures that feel soft to touch. So soft. I think this rabbit is going to feel soft. So I colour him in. Colour everything soft and circle everything hard. And then we have this one. Colour the things that you can touch. Draw a circle around the things that you cannot touch. So I know I cannot touch the sun. So it gets a circle. But I can touch the leaves on the flower. So these I'm going to colour in. That's all of your work for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll be back with another lesson tomorrow. Bye for now. Let's recap the different textures and the way things can feel. A wall feels hard. A pillow feels soft. A smartphone feels smooth. A fire feels hot. Snowflakes feel cold. The bark of a tree trunk feels rough. A plaster or honey feels sticky. And a kitten feels fluffy. This week you're going to collect textures by rubbing over them with your pencil or pencil crayon. Then write how each one. For the first homework sheet, you need to colour the pictures that feel soft and circle the pictures that feel hard. For the second homework sheet, you need to say if you can touch the pictures. Can you touch the sun? If it's no, draw a circle around it. If it's yes, colour it in. Which things can you touch? Let's read through the new words one more time. Sense of touch, tastzin. Touch something, etwas berühren. How does it feel? Wie fühlt es sich an? Hard or soft? Hart oder weich? Rough or smooth? Rau oder glatt? Hot or cold? Ist es heiß oder kalt? Sticky, klebrig, and fluffy, flauschig.